Health Machines and Gadgets. Chapter 1. Healthy Lifestyle Machines for Sale. Flotation Tanks for Sale. In his books, John C. Lilly talked about taking ketamine then floating in a tank. samadhitank.com. Hot tubs, pools, and spa information. poolcouncil.ca. Pool and Hot Tub Council of Canada. Pool and Hot Tub Alliance. phtia.org. Pool Spa News. poolspianews.com. Canadian Pool and Spa Council Conference and Expo. poolspaexpo.ca. Hot tubs, pools, and spa websites. almostheaven.com. alvintiipsa.com. americasbestpoolsupply.com. aromaspa.com, 800-800-7222. bluemoongadgets.com. canotitub.com. fernoperformancepools.com. finlandiazana.com, 800-354-3342. goodlifespa.com. healthmatesauna.com, 800-946-6001. hightechhealth.com, 800-794-5355, special sauna to help you detoxify all your impurities. hotspring.com. hotubsandspas.swimminggpools101.com. hottubs-hq.com. intheswim.com. leisuremax.us/spas/spas. elifasprayingspas.com. lifestyle-spas.com. majava-sauna.com. masticarebath.net. nipa.com. olympichottub.com. partypools.com. poolandspa.com. portablespasandthings.co.uk. rockbottomspa.com. sauna-n-sauna-kits.com. spaguts.com. splashespa.com. sunlightsaunas.com. thenaturalsolutionusa.com. used-spas.com/links.html. whirlpool.co.uk. whirlpool.co.za. whirlpool.com. whirlpool.ie. whirlpoolindia.com. Hot tubs, pools, and spa for sale. Amerique Sauna and Steam. POG 40569. Bellevue, Washington 98004. 800-331-0349. ameriec.com. Aquaglass Corp. POG 412. Industrial Park. Adamsville, Tennessee 38310. 800-238-3940. aquaglass.com. Whirlpools, steam showers. Aroma Spa. 800-800-7222. aromaspa.com. complete-spa.com. 877-534-8163. Cool Line, Whirlpool Corp. Benton Harbor, Michigan 49022. 800-253-1301. whirlpool.com. goodlifespa.com. 800-869-0406. hotspring.com. 800-338-3876. Jacuzzi Whirlpool Bath. 298 N Wajit N. Walnut Creek, California 94596. 800-227-0710. jacuzzi.com. marquispa.com. 800-223-6303. mtiwhirlpools.com. 800-783 Tubs. Snorkel Hot Tub Co. 4216 6th Avenue. South. Seattle, Washington 98108. 800-962-6208. Snorkel.com. Steamembrace.com. 800-231-06 7832. Sundance Spas. 800-899-7727. Sundancespa.com. Infrared saunas for sale. An infrared sauna heats people up with infrared heaters that emit infrared radiant heat, unlike the regular sauna that uses steam. Plug it in, turn it on and sit there. Infrared saunas are marketed to help relax, lose weight and detoxify. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/infrared_sauna. coastalsaunas.com. farinfraredsauna.com. farinfraredsauna.net. farnerthsaunas.com. greatsaunas.com. hightechhealth.com. 800-794-5355. infraredheatsaunas.com. infraredsauna.com. infrared-sauna-canada.com. infrared-sauna-heater.com. ermasesagabades.com, infrared massage beds. luxsauna.com. midwestsaunas.com. naturalhealthpathsaunas.ca. performancehealthclinic.com, infrared sauna therapy. prohealthsauna.com. qualitysaunawarehouse.com. reverseaging.biz, the Reverse Aging Center, the Infrared Sauna Therapy Center. reverseagingwellness.com, the Infrared Sauna Therapy Center. saunasandmore.ca. sunlightsaunas.com. westcoastsaunas.com. massage products for sale. dearonow.com. goldenratio.com, massage tables. infinitemassage.com. massageroyale.co.uk. massageunlimited.com. reliefmart.com. takahashiatsu.com, 888-556-2117, massage board. yangingsupply.com. sofo-china.cn. meditation/yoga product information. Spirituality and Health Magazine. 74 Trinity Place, NYC 10006. 800-876-8202. spiritualityhealth.com. Yoga Journal Magazine. 2054 University Avenue, number 501. Berkeley, California 94704. 800 I Do Yoga. 800-600 Yoga. yogajournal.com. Center for Mindfulness. UMass Medical Center. Worcester, Massachusetts 01655-0267. 508-856-2656. Fax 508-856-1977. ummhealth.org/center-mindfulness. dhama.org. dharma.org. shambhala.org. usyoga.org. yogacalgary.org. yogafinder.com. yogajournal.com. yogananda-srf.org. meditation/yoga products for sale. babyom.com. bountifulbuddha.com, yoga clothing. dharma.com/gaia.hdm, books. eastwest.com, 800-909-6161, books. facingthedawn.com. focusing.org. gaiam.com. gentleyoga.com. hayhouse.com, 800-654-5126. healfaster.com. iyoga.com. gvamuktiyoga.com, 877 iamiyoga. krishnadas.com. meditationforhealth.com. powerofbalance.com. retreats2renew.com. santasha.com. soundstrue.com, 800-333-9185, tapes. spiritweb.org. tantra.com. tm.org. yogapro.com. yogapropshop.com. Yogazite.com, YogiHarry.com, Gravity Plus, POG 2182, Los Angeles, California 92038, 800-383-8056, GravityPus.com, Inversion equipment for hanging upside down, HimalayanInstitute.org, 800-822-4547, Lucidity.com, 800-465-8243, now-zen.com, 800-779-6383, pureyoga.com, 888-398-9642, serenitieseating.com, 800-340-0506, Shasta Abbey Buddhist, 800-653-3315, obcon.org, underthecanopy.com, 888-226-6799, Tanning beds for sale, tanningbeddepot.com, tanningbedsdirect.com, prozun.com/used-tanning, smarten.com, sundazh.com, lotions.